So Harjeet, what is the strategy behind this? कि मतलब टीवी पे तो छा ही रहा है 15 साल से और अब इंटरनेट डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे भी छा रहा है तारक मेहता.
As I said, I think this huge debate always TV versus internet versus. We strongly believe today these are the same shows that are working on internet. Today, if you look at a Big Boss on television, that's what I feel is driving Woot. Otherwise, as well as an app, most of the Star Plus daily shows are what is driving consumption of Hotstar, apart from cricket. So shows well made will have an audience everywhere. I think audience see it as an opportunity to catch a linear TV versus a non-linear platform. That I missed it, I can catch it here also. And over a period, it becomes a habit that I don't have to be sitting there in front of the TV at this time. I can watch it on the same TV, but at the time I choose to watch, the show is good. There is an audience for it. People are traveling, busy with lives, they can catch up. I know of people who watch Tarak Mehta on 1.5x speed. It's purely because they're used to watching it. So they watch at 1.5x speed because they know dekhna hai, lekin time nahi hai. So technology enables, and this is how people make use of it. So somewhere, one good thing about Tarak is that it has also surprised us in terms of the love that people give. If I tell you, Amazon has a device called Alexa, and it is not that well penetrated in India, but there is a decent penetration of Alexa. And Amazon happened to release a report of Alexa usage last year. And the story on Economic Times said that every 1 minute there is a request to play Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma on Alexa. So most of the people who have Alexa on television or Fire Stick, every 1 minute there is a request. And this is an Amazon report. I don't have that data beyond. They only published one line saying, and this beats any other show in the country. Every 1 minute somebody is asking for Alexa to play. That's one. YouTube releases a report every year on top shows on YouTube. Tarak Mehta is the only show to feature in the top 10 list of YouTube videos. Only TV show. No TV show has ever made it. So again I'm saying it's only the love of people that has made the show go on and on. And I think it has made Mr. Modi more responsible. He's more scared of putting anything out because he knows there are people watching. He goes to an airport or he goes to a club, there are people who catch him if there is something wrong with the episode. So he has to make sure that he's responsible enough with the show of this nature right now.